Hello and welcome to a new recipe and a new day. Today I will make for you a new recipe on sauce. So delicious you will lick your fingers off by it. This is one tomato sauce for brown rice. Tell me how you like it. Let me start. Ingredients: little bit of sugar, soy sauce, 1 bit of tomatoes, 1 bit of cherry tomatoes from my garden. Taken from my garden. A little bit of zucchini, also from my garden. Pepper, also from my garden. And red pepper. Little bit of basil, garlic and ginger, black sesame seeds, curcummin and cummin, black pepper and tomato juice, and 1 bowl of mushrooms. The first thing you do is put the water in the pan. Put the mushrooms also in the pan. A bit of soy sauce. And put the fire. Put the garlic to it. And the zucchini, tomato juice to it, a little bit too much black pepper, the green pepper, sugar. Now put the cumin, the curcuma and black sesame seeds to it. Now you blend the half of this. So, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends if you like it. And check also maybe out my other channels. If you've been on this channel of me. Get not cut the fire up, go vegan. Animals also don't want to be food. Just like you don't want to be victim of a cannibal, like Jeffrey Dahmer.